Customizing your Wells Fargo card is pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Start by searching for wellsfargo.com in your web browser. Once you're on the Wells Fargo website, navigate to the Personal section. Look for the option that says Wells Fargo and ATM cards and click on it. On the cards page, you will find a service called Card Design Studio service that allows you to personalize your card. Click on the Card Design Studio service to begin the process. You will have the opportunity to customize your card with a photo that reflects what's important to you. You can choose a favorite photo of your family or friends, a picture of your beloved pet, or even your child's artwork. If you have a specific interest or hobby, you can also select an image that represents that. If you're ready to start designing your card, click on Design Your Card. You will be prompted to enter your username and password to sign in to your Wells Fargo account. Once you've signed in, you will be able to access the card design options and personalize your card according to your preferences. If you don't have a Wells Fargo card yet, but you would like to request one for an existing account, you can call this number as shown here on the screen. Designing your own Wells Fargo card is a great way to make it unique and reflect your personal style.